Good day guys, in this one I will show you how to connect your domain in Base44. So I'm not really finding the corresponding feature in the settings, and I'm guessing it's going to be inside our project itself, so where you have the AI that allows you to create or change your app. So you, for example, as you can see, I have my recent apps. I'm just going to go to my task flow. And in here, as you can see, this is my dashboard. So now you can just type in your prompt. For example, I want to add a domain, like that. All right, and you can just wait for the response. All right, as you can see, we will need to do this from our app's dashboard settings. So we are actually here. Let me see. So there's our dashboard, like this. And then you go to domains, and in here, guys, you can, for example, buy a domain directly from Base44. As you can see, you can just view plans, and they will probably include a domain in one of these, or you can just connect your own if you so desire. So once again, dashboard, domains, and in here, this is where you added your URL, right? And then you can, of course, change it. So that's it. Hopefully this helps you out. If it did, like and subscribe.